to the Phonics class. In the previous video, we have learned 3-letter CVC words along with family. If you are new to my channel, please refer my previous videos for better understanding. In today's class, we are going to learn 3-letter CVC words along with family. Children, CVC simply means consonant, vowel, consonant. Children, we have to always remember that blending the letter sounds together is first step in reading. Are you excited about today's class? Yes, very good. Let's begin. Letter A. A makes the sound A. Letter N. N makes the sound N. A and N together makes the sound An. A. N. An. Now we are going to learn words with an sound. K. An. Can. K. An. Can. F. An. Fan. F. An. Fan. An. Man. An. Man. P. An. Pan. P. An. Pan. V. An. Van. V. An. Van. Children, now we are going to practice some more words. Practicing more words makes you perfect reader. Van. Dan. Nan. Children, now let's have a quick review. You all can join with me. Ban. Can. Dan. Fan. Man. Nan. Pan. Van. Children, practice these words every day because practicing words plays an important role in learning to read. Children, I hope you all had fun reading today. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click bell icon to get new video alerts. Thank you so much for watching.